Hi everyone, we are on to day 2 for 9.2, which is on regular polygons. And our essential question is going to be, can I find the apothem? That is a new word, and we're going to talk about what an apothem is and why it's important today before we actually go into how to use the apothem tomorrow. So today we're just really talking about what it is and where to find it. There are 3 main things that you are going to be looking for when you see a regular polygon. Now firstly, regular meaning all the same sides, all the same angles, like side lengths and angles in a polygon. Multiple sides, this technically works for quadrilaterals, but we're going to work, this works better and more specifically for us when we're talking about anything with 5 sides or bigger. So I have this pentagon here, and there's the first thing I want to look for, which is the central angle. I believe we talked about this at some point, and if we didn't, that's all right. A central angle goes from the center to either vertice there. And it's this measurement right there. Now in a regular polygon, all of these segments are going to be congruent or the same, meaning all of those central angles are the same. And so a central angle is when you take 360, because all of these would add up to 360, and divide it by how many sides there are. And in this case, there happens to be 5. So in this case, 360 divided by 5 is going to be 72 degrees. And that's what all of those would add up. So 72 times 5 is going to give us our 360 total. The second thing you need to know is what a radius is. And a radius goes from the center to the vertices. So those were actually 2 radii combined. So a radius, you need to know what a radius is. And then the most important thing, although the radius can come in handy and we know how to use that for various reasons, but an apothem goes from the center directly to the middle of one of the side lengths, and it's always at a 90-degree measurement there. So that is the apothem. It is the shortest distance, so I should have put an arrow there. And something to keep in mind is that it's 90 degrees or it's a right to one of the sides. And we need to be able to find the apothem. So if the apothem's not given to us, what do we do? Or if I know the apothem but I don't know a side length, what can I do? Because we need to use the apothem and use the perimeter in order to find the area of a regular polygon. And we are going to do that tomorrow. Today we're just going to focus on how to find the apothem.